How to block a website in Windows. Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can block websites in Windows. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your file explorer and go to your local disk. On your local disk, go to Windows. My bad here. After you're on your Windows, you will need to scroll down until you find another folder. There are a lot of folders. Head over to System32. Under System32, scroll down again until you find drivers. Open up your drivers, and under drivers, you'll find many other, uh, you know, files and folders as well. What you'll need to do is just go up here. My bad here. Go to etc, and right here you'll find this hosts file. Right click on it and open this with Notepad. You can edit in Notepad. And after you do this, what you'll need to do here is change this. So right here you will see this. So let's not touch that for now. So right here, type in this IP. And now what you'll need to do is simply write the website that you want to block. So I'll just type in facebook.com. Give a space if you say you want to block YouTube. Just do this and you're basically good to go. Now Control S to save this and then save this file and you're good to go. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.